If you've ever tried to learn a new piece of software or opened an AI tool for the first time and immediately felt frustrated, you're not alone. You've got a dozen tabs open, you're looking at videos on YouTube, you feel like everybody else around you gets it, everybody else online is so far ahead of you and you'll never catch up. You watch tutorials, but they seem to contradict each other. Others pump so much information at you that you'll never be able to process it or implement it, and there's no one there to guide you and hold your hand. Most people assume that it's an intelligence problem or a motivational problem. It's not. The real problem is context. Software does not fail people. AI doesn't fail people. Generic setups are what fail people. Hi, I'm Mitchell Schwint. I'm a board-certified emergency physician, author, coach, consultant, world traveler, and I was exactly where you were 2 years ago. I had played around with tools, I had seen the power of it, but I had no stinking clue how to put it all together. I'd watched tutorials, checked out YouTube videos, signed up for a few crap courses, and at the end of the day, I was no further ahead. In fact, I was actually more confused. It seemed like everybody was contradicting each other. I didn't need a prompt library. I needed something that was more in tune to the way I thought, the way I spoke, the goals that I had for myself personally and my business, and I needed a system that understood the constraints, the values, and my real life. Most tutorials fail because they teach tactics. These tactics may not be yours, they may not be applicable to your business, your mindset, or where you're trying to go. This system installs identity level context. The difference is night and day. Instead of asking, what should I do? You start asking, given who I am and what I'm optimized for, what should I do next? And your clone already knows the answer. It'll guide you, it'll push you, it'll challenge you. And at the end of the day, you'll be shocked at how much you can accomplish. As I built this system, here's what I eventually realized. That AI is not powerful because it generates content. It's powerful when it operates from your own personal operating system. Without teaching AI your personal operating system, it's always going to give you generic answers. But with it, it becomes your co-pilot. The shift is not obvious, but it's almost never taught correctly. Over the past year, I have refined a repeatable way to do this properly, not by adding complexity, but by removing friction. I built a system for capturing a person's clone DNA, translating into a structured, portable context, and embedding it directly into the AI environment so it travels with them across conversations, projects. Once that's in place, everything downstream changes. So here's the tangible outcome. For most people that I've worked with, they've saved 10 to 15 hours per week, and that's starting week 1. It's not by working faster, but by eliminating unnecessary thinking loops. Decision support becomes cleaner, writing becomes faster, planning becomes calmer, and the mental load drops dramatically. The tool stops feeling like something you manage and starts behaving like something that knows you. Many of my students are absolutely shocked at how well their clone knows them, their quirks, their personalities, their innate desires, sometimes even their secrets. This is absolutely not a course. It is not ongoing coaching. This is a single focused online session where you and I work together one-on-one in probably an hour, maybe 2. We're going to build your clone from the ground up. You'll complete structured homework in advance so we can move quickly. During the session, I'll help you configure your ChatGPT correctly. I'll help you protect your privacy. We'll install your personal clone DNA into your ChatGPT. We'll optimize instructions through Markdown so that your context persists across projects. We'll set guardrails for hallucinations and truth alignment. And we'll set up a workflow that you can reuse and evolve over time. This might look simple on the surface. It's not. This is the step that unlocks everything else. If you felt the potential of AI but not the payoff, this is the missing piece. One session, one system, built correctly, bespoke for you. I'll walk you through this step by step, and when it's done, your AI will finally feel like it's working with you instead of around you.